Serious about getting stronger? Discover the power of progressive overload. Have you ever hit a wall in your training where it feels like no matter how many times you go to the gym, the gains just stop? It's a frustration that almost every athlete from beginner to elite eventually faces. The secret to breaking through that plateau is progressive overload. Hi everyone, this is Bala. In this series, we will discuss comprehensive training approaches to fitness at its full potential. By the end of this series, you will know how to optimize your training variables for your fitness goals. Today, let's discuss progressive overload, how it works, its benefits, and the science behind it. Progressive overload in effective strength training, the word itself suggests its meaning. Progression in the load or increase in weight. Gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles is crucial for continuous growth in strength, muscle size, and endurance. With roots in exercise science and rehabilitation, progressive overload has been the key to muscle gains for decades, and mastering it is essential for any serious athlete. Now, what is progressive overload? At its core, progressive overload means incrementally increasing the stimulus, whether that's through weight, repetitions, or frequency of training. The concept is simple. As your body adapts to a certain level of stress, increasing that stress forces it to adapt even further. This results in continuous improvements in both strength and muscle size. In the 1940s, researcher Thomas Delmore introduced this concept to the world of rehabilitation and strength training, and it remains foundational even today. If you're serious about achieving gains, understanding and applying progressive overload is crucial. Now let's understand the science of muscle adaptation. When you lift weights, you're actually creating microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound intense, but it's a natural and essential part of building muscle. As these tiny tears repair, your body doesn't just restore the muscle to its original state, it makes it even stronger and bigger to handle similar stimulus in future. Research backs this up. A 2016 study by Morton and team showed that consistently increasing the load over time led to greater muscle hypertrophy and strength adaptations. In other words, if you're not challenging your muscles, they won't change. Progressive overload is what drives this cycle of damage and repair, leading to substantial gains over time. Now, how do you apply in real life to achieve this progressive overloading? There are several ways to apply progressive overload, and each has its own unique benefits and applications. Here's how you can incorporate it effectively. By number 1, increasing the weight. The simplest method, lift heavier. If you're currently squatting 100 kg, aim to gradually increase that by even 5 kgs in the coming weeks. However, remember that technique is paramount, so only increase weights when you can maintain a perfect form and technique. The second approach is increasing repetitions. If adding weight isn't an option, try pushing for more repetitions at your current weight. For instance, if you're currently doing 8 reps, aim for 10 in the next session. Small changes add up over time. Third approach, increasing the volume. Now, volume refers to the total work done during a workout session for a particular muscle group. You can increase volume by adding extra sets or exercises for that muscle. But keep in mind, while volume increases can be powerful, they require more time and energy, and also the recovery needs will be much higher. And finally, the fourth approach is decreasing rest time. Reducing rest between sets adds intensity to your workout, challenging your muscles in a different way. If you currently rest 3 minutes between sets, try reducing it to 2 minutes. But monitor your form and technique closely to avoid fatigue-related injuries. And finally, varying exercises. Incorporating different exercises that target the same muscle group can also add an extra layer of overload, challenging your muscles from new angles. However, avoid excessive variety that disrupts the continuity. Practical application of progressive overload is very simple. The key to making progressive overload work for you is consistency and tracking it. Keep a training log with details like weight, sets, repetitions, and even rest time between sets. This log becomes a roadmap of your progress, helping you stay on track and make informed decisions for future workouts. Additionally, don't overlook recovery. According to O'Hara and team's study done in 2017, adequate recovery enhances the effects of progressive overload, leading to greater strength gains. Ensure you're getting enough rest, nutrition, and sleep to maximize the benefits of your hard work. To achieve continuous progress in strength training, you need a strategy. Progressive overload offers exactly that. By consistently increasing the demands you place on your body, you'll see real measurable growth over time. Remember, the technique and recovery are just as essential as the weights you lift. So approach this method with a bit of patience and persistence, with dedication and a structured plan, which can actually help you achieve that progressive overload and can help you push past plateaus and unlock your full potential. This was Progressive Overload. Stay tuned to learn more about how HIIT training can maximize your endurance. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with someone who's working on their strength goals. We've got plenty more tips and insights coming your way to help you crush it in the gym and keep making progress. See you in the next one. And remember, stay consistent, stay strong.